I must have been sitting in a dark corner because my voice startled her. Here, when the narrator uttered the voice in the 10 compartment in order to ask about the girl's destination, the girl was startled at the voice of the narrator because she gave a little exclamation and said, "I didn't know anyone else was here." She gave a little exclamation. That is, the girl uttered in amazement, exclaimed a little, or the girl got amazed a little at the voice of the narrator. "I didn't know anyone else was here." Here the girl said that she had not known anyone else had been there in the 10 compartment. That is, the narrator was sitting in the dark corner of the 10 compartment, and the girl could not realize whether there was anyone in the compartment. So, it is natural to the girl that she got startled at the sudden utterance of the narrator. Well, it often happens, often means frequently, many times, it often happens that people with good eyesight fail to see what is right in front of them. It often happens that people with good eyesight fail to see what is right in front of them. They have too much to take in, I suppose. Well, it often happens that people with good eyesight fail to see. That is, it is according to the discussion by the narrator. He said that it often happens that people with good eyesight, that is, the people who can see well, fail to see what is right in front of them. That is, good eyesighted people often fail to see the right thing in front of their eyes. Good eyesighted people, that is, the people who can see very well, fail to see the right thing in front of them. They have too much to take in, to observe. They have too much, so many things to observe. I suppose. The narrator supposed. The narrator thought. It is according to the assumption of the narrator. The narrator thought that the people who have good eyesight have too much or too many things to observe or to note or to see. Whereas people who cannot see or see very little have to take in only the essentials. Whereas people who cannot see or see very little have to take in or note or observe only the essentials. That is, suppose if a person is blind, he has to take in only the essentials. Or the people who have no eyesight at all, or who can see a little, have to take in only the essentials, only the necessary things, very necessary things. Whatever registers most tellingly on their remaining senses. Whatever registers most tellingly. Registers means impresses. IMPRESSES. Registers or records. RECORDS. Whatever registers or impresses most tellingly on their remaining senses. Tellingly, effectively. Tellingly means effectively. effectively. Most effectively. Remaining senses. Remaining means the rest. Senses. 5 powers of the body: sight, hearing, smell, taste and touch. These are the 5 senses of human body. And here the narrator wanted to point out that the people in this paragraph, you have noticed that the very good eyesighted people, or the people who can see very well, have so much to observe, have so many things before them to observe. So it is natural that sometimes it happens, or frequently it happens, or many times it happens, that they fail to select, or they fail to pick up the right things, or they fail to see the right things in front of their eyes. But the people who have poor eyesight, or the people who cannot see at all, have to take in or observe only the essential things through their inner sight, or insight, or inner eyes. So you see that sometimes the people who cannot see have to take in or observe many things, only the essential things, whatever registers most tellingly, whatever records most effectively on their remaining senses. So students, you see that during the 10 journey, the narrator and the girl were in the 10 compartment, and in this journey there was a conversation between the narrator and the girl. And in this way, the conversation continued between the two. And in my next class, I will teach you the story line by line. So I will hope you will stay at home safe. Thank you.